If you are someone with dry skin like mine and you are looking for a good toner that doesn't dry out your skin further, then this video is for you. The COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner is a popular K-beauty skincare toner that's been praised for its ability to address a variety of skin concerns. This Propolis Toner is made up of two core ingredients. It's made up of 72% of propolis extract that's rich in vitamin B and 10% of honey, which has antioxidants, and it targets the following skin concerns: skin dryness, sensitivity, dullness, and aging skin. In this video, we will be reviewing its texture, smell, and benefits. Plus, we'll also show you how to incorporate this product into your skincare routine for maximum benefits. How to use the COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner. First thing, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and then pat your skin dry. Step 2, gently dispense an appropriate amount of the COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner onto your palms and pat it onto your skin. This will help prepare your skin for the other skincare steps. Pro tip, if you're using an exfoliator in your skincare routine, make sure you apply this COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner only after you've applied your exfoliator. Next, you can proceed onto your other skincare steps, which would be your serum, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen if you are applying it during the daytime. And if you're wondering how often you should be using this toner, you can use it twice daily. Now I'll be showing you its texture. For the texture, it has a slightly watery yet viscous texture. So if you have dry skin like mine, your skin will love this. As mentioned earlier, if you have dry skin like mine and you're going through that dry, flaky, and that aging phase, then your skin will definitely love this toner. Plus, a lot of people have sensitive skin and are unable to use different kinds of toner, especially me. I'm also someone with very dry and sensitive skin. Then this is where this baby comes to save your day. Long story short, one of our customers who's in her 50s loves using this toner. She is someone with aging concerns, and this toner has really helped hydrate and plump her skin, and she's on her 3rd bottle now. Now here are some top benefits that you can experience on incorporating this toner into your skincare routine. The first thing is it reduces dryness. So now this COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner has two core ingredients. One is propolis extract and the second is honey. So these ingredients helps hydrate your skin, and it also has humectant properties in it, meaning it attracts moisture into your skin. This allows for a more plump, elastic, and less dryness of your skin. Now the second thing is this toner helps out smoothen rough skin, making it appear more even and refined. It also promotes brighter and glowing skin. Fourth, it has antibacterial and antioxidant properties which helps keep your skin healthy and prevents damage. Lastly, if you are dealing with premature aging or in general if you have aging concerns, then this toner will be your holy grail in dealing with skin concerns like wrinkles, saggy skin, and loss of elasticity. If you want to grab this toner, we'll have the link to our store posted in the description below, so you better check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.